guys! Thank you for being with me again today. My name is Teacher Cassie and I work for Novakid. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a good introduction video, especially sa mga nagpaplanong mag-apply at maging part ng Novakid family. Here's what you need to know to have an effective and impressive introduction video. First, your video should be horizontal. It should have 16:9 aspect ratio. Pahabada pa siyang ganun. Mas madaling i-edit, mas madaling lagyan ng mga effects dito kung may space pa. Second, dapat high quality yung video natin. It should have at least 720p na video quality. It's okay, you can use your cell phones, your webcams, your camera, built-in camera from your laptop, but make sure na okay yung quality ng video natin. Third, it should be 1 minute, especially sa mga nag-a-apply sa Novakid. Mas maganda na i-follow natin yung instruction dun sa portal na it should be 1 minute at hindi lalagpas ng 1 gig file size. Sa mga nagtatanong if 1 minute ba yung introduction video ko, yes. So, pinasa ko introduction video for application. 1 minute lang talaga siya. Sinakto ko siyang 1 minute. But, nung nag-update na ako ng intro video, since nagtuturo na ako sa Novakid, so, nilagpasan ko na siya. Mga 1.5 minutes na siya. So, it's okay as long as teacher ka na sa Novakid. But, if you are just applying, nag-a-apply ka pa lang, it's better to follow instructions. So, since 1 minute lang siya, kailangan precise and accurate lahat ng sasabihin mo. First, briefly introduce yourself. So, first, say something about yourself, your name, saan ka nakatira, ano ang mga hobbies mo, something like that. Second, your teaching experience, teaching certificates. And third, your teaching techniques. Anong ginagamit mo? Props, flashcards, puppets, rewards. And of course, please don't forget to mention Novakid School in your application video. For example, hi, my name is Teacher Cassie and welcome to Novakid. So next is, it must have a good lighting. Kung walang natural lighting sa bahay nyo, you can use ring lights, lamps, para maganda yung background, maganda yung itsura mo sa camera. You can also use tripod para hindi magalaw yung camera mo or patong mo siya kung saan siya stable. Next, and another important reminder is don't forget to attach Novakid logo in your background or in the video na ipapasa mo. And last but not the least, wear your biggest smile. Show them that your classroom is fun, your classroom is engaging, that you are confident in front of the camera and you are excited to meet them. Be yourself in front of the camera and fix your grammar, fix your pronunciation. You can watch videos here on YouTube, and if you want, I will link my introduction video na ginamit ko nung nag-apply ako and introduction video ko ngayon na nagtuturo na ako sa Novakid. It's okay if you don't want to edit your introduction video. So, kung marunong ka mag-edit, it's an advantage. You can edit your video na magiging fun pa siya, magiging impressive pa siya sa lahat ng makakanood. But it is not a requirement na dapat edited yung videos natin. I hope may takeaway ulit kayo sa video na to. And if you have video requests, questions about Novakid, you can comment it down below or message me in my Facebook account na naka-link din, naka-indicate din sa baba. Thank you for watching, and if this video has helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Click the notification bell to be updated on my next videos. Thank you! See ya!